Hi, I'm Dr. Glenn Charles, owner and medical director of Charles Medical Group, located here in Boca Raton, Florida. I do perform hair transplantation surgery, and often we use some of the non-surgical treatments in conjunction with the surgery, including low-level laser therapy. The first device I'm going to talk about is the HairMax Laser Band 82, and I can see here the lasers are on right here, and what I like about this is it has the little bristles, the little brush bristles there, and it helps to get in between the hair. So this is a device that I tend to use for patients who are more at the beginning of hair loss, who still have quite a bit of hair, or women who have a lot of hair, because it helps to move the hair out of the way, and so the lasers can penetrate to the scalp. The good thing also about this is that the bristles do come off. So we can even use this on the surgical patients after surgery, take the bristles off, and it's very safe and effective to treat the scalp after the surgery, help the wounds heal faster, and prevent further hair loss. The second device is the HairMax PowerFlex laser cap, 272 lasers, and it's a great device. It's brand new. I'm going to turn it on for you here so you can see the lasers on. And what I like about it is really flexible. You can see how flexible and soft it is. So the comfort level is significantly improved over anything that's been out, any of the other companies that have some type of cap. This is really what is making the patients happy. I've had patients come returning their other devices and they just love this device because it's really comfortable. It's durable, great warranties. I think these devices are the best thing on the market. This is what I'm recommending for my patients. The other thing I like about the cap in general is it's really easy to use. You put it on your head, you really can't do it wrong. Your whole head's getting treated at the same time, so you don't have to move it. So for patients who have significant loss, it can help with either using it after surgery, help healing the surgical wounds, help prevent hair loss in the future. So for people who are in the process of losing hair, it can help with that also. So this is a great device for all types of patients with hair loss. I have found that the patients who do opt to use the laser treatments that we offer here in the office for free after surgery, or patients who like to buy a device and take it home, that they do heal faster and they do get a little bit more of a positive result from the surgery. One thing I do want to say about low-level laser therapy is I've been doing it for over 10 years, somewhere between 10 and 15 years, and I've never had a single patient harmed by the laser. I never had a single adverse reaction. I never even read about any adverse reactions. So these devices are really safe. My name is Dr. Glenn Charles. I'm here in a clinic in Boca Raton, Charles Medical Group, and as far as low-level laser therapy is concerned, HairMax is the only device that I use.